Hey guys, Sean Lentz here from Appalachian DIY, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a receptacle block for a stove. These receptacle blocks can be kind of thought of as an outlet in your home, and the burner is what plugs into these to receive power. Now a lot of times these receptacle blocks will short out, burn out, and they need to be replaced. So that's what we're going to do now. The first thing that we need to do is pull the stove away from the wall and unplug it so there's no power going to the unit. The next thing that we need to do is gain access underneath the stove top to get at the receptacle block. A lot of these coil type burner stoves have a very nice feature that you lift straight up on the stove top, no tools involved, and gain access to underneath it to clean it, and it also gives you access to these receptacle blocks. Okay, so what happened is these leads came in contact with the underside of the stove and they ended up melting out the block and damaging the leads, so we need to replace them. We got a new one here with the kit, and we're going to make it a little bit longer, probably about the terminal length, and we're going to cut it off right back here because we're going to need to wire nut this together, so we're going to need a little bit more wire. Now that we have all the leads cut off, we need to take and install the new leads from the kit. Now it doesn't matter which side they go on, they're all the same and they're both hot coming in. Just twist them together and then take a wire nut and then screw them together to make the connection. The kit also comes with some heat shrink. You can just place it right over top of the wire nut and then meld it with a lighter if you so desire. Now it's time to install the leads back into the block, and you can see in the block that there are two prongs there, and those prongs will slide right through the terminal. That groove goes into the slot and then snap it into place. The kit comes with two types of connectors. The one that we're going to be using is this one right here. It's going to slide right into this notch right here, and then the kit comes with a screw. Just screw it into place. Okay guys, that is it. That's all it took. It took about 15 minutes from start to stop. It's really simple to do and it's very cheap. The receptacle block kit that I got is around like $5. I'll put that in the description below if you guys need that also. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Head over to Appalachian DIY, subscribe, and check out more of my videos. Thanks again, guys, and I hope to see you next time.